Hello everyone, today we will see how we can organize Jenkins jobs with folders. Let's get into the task. Exfusion Corp Industries DevOps team aims to streamline the management of Jenkins jobs by organizing them into distinct folders based on their purpose. Complete the task following the provided requirements. Access the Jenkins UI by clicking on the Jenkins button on the top bar. Login with the credentials. Create a new folder named Apache within Jenkins UI. Move the existing jobs and under the newly created and services under the newly created Apache folder. Ensure to install any required plugins and restart Jenkins if necessary. Opt for restart Jenkins when installation is complete and no jobs are running. Okay. Now let's click on Jenkins. Click on new item. Have to give the name is Apache. This one. The type should be folder. So here folder is not present, only freestyle project is present. So we need to install a plugin. Go to the dashboard, manage Jenkins, plugins, folder. The plugin name is folders. Install. Let's select this option. Now it is restarting. Okay, now let's go back to dashboard. Click on new item. Now we can see folder. Select folder and the name should be Apache. Click OK. Now a new folder is created. The display name also let's give it as Apache. Now here we have created a folder. The next task is we need to move these two existing jobs to Apache. Here there is no option. Okay, it's there. Move. We need to move to Apache. Move. Now if you click on Apache, it is moved. Same way other job as well. Click on services. Click on move. Select Apache. Move. You might wonder which plugin it is using. If you click on manage Jenkins plugins, installed. I think along with the folder plugin, this also came in. Else we need to usually install this plugin. I think that might have been deprecated. There used to be move, copy, promote. That's the plugin name. I think they have removed it and added it under the folders plugin. Yeah, we are good.